The Celsi DLX Media Wall is an impressive, pre-built electric fire suite requiring minimal assembly, providing a remarkable addition to any living space. Its combination of smooth whiteboards, oak-finished acoustic paneling, and smart features truly sets it apart. Whether you're aiming for cozy ambience or high-end luxury, this fireplace offers an instantly warm and attractive solution. Behind safe, cool-to-touch sleek glass walls, the DLX offers uninterrupted clear views of flames and beautiful oak logs. Each log is split to reveal the unique character of the oak. Chosen for its deep rich color, distinctive textured bark, and coarse wood grain, hardwood oak showcases a beautiful and truly natural finish for these premium electric fires. Select from a range of 16 color presets, or simply choose to relax with a slow cycle through the color spectrum in our fully immersive animation mode. Control your fire from your smartphone or tablet with full handset functionality. Operational noise is kept to an absolute minimum with our quiet, smooth-running heating system. For exceptional build quality and product reliability, choose Celsi DLX Media Wall Suites.